So many businesses hit a wall with their ERP when they start to grow, especially when it comes to inventory, right?
Yeah, for sure.
It's like trying to keep up with demand that's all over the place.
Yeah.
Either you're running out of stock and losing sales, or you've got way too much stuff just sitting around.
Right, and the basic features just don't cut it.
Exactly. Acumatica is great, but sometimes you need something, well, a little more custom. To really dive into that, we have Ranjith with us today from Tiana Solutions. He's an associate functional consultant, been in the ERP world for over 5 years.
Thanks for having me.
So Ranjith's worked with all kinds of Acumatica scenarios, right? Reporting, automation, security, all that. He's the guy to talk to about tackling these tricky inventory problems.
It all comes down to, understanding what the business actually needs and then using the tools Acumatica gives us to build something that really fits.
Perfect. So let's get specific, okay? We had this company, they make solar panel racks. They were doing this 4-month sales forecast.
Okay.
But it was all outside of Acumatica.
Mm-hmm.
And they wanted to use that forecast to update their safety stock levels automatically. But doing it by hand, that was a nightmare. And Acumatica's MRP, it couldn't talk to that external forecast.
Yeah, that's a problem a lot of companies face. They have their own ways of forecasting their own data. The trick is getting that data to talk to Acumatica.
Right. So how did Tiana Solutions fix this?
Okay, so we used a few of the tools Acumatica already has. We started with a generic inquiry, a GI. Basically, it's a way to pull specific information from Acumatica and do calculations with it. In this case, it grabbed their 4-month forecast and figured out the average monthly demand.
Got it. So the GI does the math. But how do you actually get those numbers back into Acumatica to update the inventory?
Automation, right. Used business events. Think of it as setting up a trigger, This business event was scheduled to run every month on the 5th, and it would kick off an import scenario.
Import scenario. So that's how the data gets put back into Acumatica.
Exactly. It was all set up to take the safety stock numbers from the GI and update the safety stock field, right in the item warehouse details in Acumatica.
Wow, that's slick.
So they update their forecast, and Acumatica just takes care of the rest. That's the idea. Hands-free. And if they need to change things up, like the forecast period or how they calculate safety stock, that's easy to do too. The automation just keeps on working.
So no more manual number crunching, no more mistakes. It's all right there in their ERP.
Exactly. It shows what you can do when you really understand Acumatica. You can build these custom solutions that solve really specific problems.
Absolutely. And this is what Tiana Solutions does best. They're a top Acumatica services partner, right? They've got a whole team of experts, just like Ranjith, who can help businesses get the most out of Acumatica. Implementation, custom solutions, ongoing support, the whole 9 yards.
If anyone listening is dealing with similar issues in Acumatica, or maybe they just need some extra help, Tiana Solutions can definitely help. Streamline your processes, resolve those support tickets faster, whatever you need.
Absolutely. Give them a call at 678-910-2774 to set up a meeting and talk about your specific needs. You'd be surprised what you can do with Acumatica with a little customization, right? It could be a game changer for your business.
It really could. Think about it. What processes are you doing manually that you could automate? What could you be doing better if you had a system perfectly tailored to your needs? That's what Acumatica lets you do.
Food for thought. Thanks for joining us today, Ranjith.
My pleasure.
This has been The Deep Dive. We'll catch you next time.